Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome to another tutorial. This video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to install XEX menu 1.2 on your Xbox 360 JTAG or GH. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first you need to have a USB flash drive and plug it in your Xbox 360. Let me sign in. So after plugging in your flash drive, go to settings, go to storage, select your USB storage device, click on configure now, yes, and wait for some time. Let it do its work. Yeah, here it goes. So now you can remove your USB flash drive from your Xbox 360 and plug it in your PC right now. After plugging it in your PC, you have to open Horizon. I'll make another video showing you how to install Horizon on your PC. So after opening Horizon, it will first say that can't connect to server. Just ignore it, click on OK. Yeah, right there, click on OK, and it will say that Horizon is running in offline mode. Yeah, only few utilities. It's okay, click on it, and after opening it, it will automatically detect your Xbox 360 storage. I mean the one you configured with your pen drive. After this, you need to download this file. I'll give it the link in the description box. Download that file folder. Now click on inject file and select the folder, open it up, select this file, click on, and it will automatically start to inject on your USB flash drive. Wait for some time, let it do its work. It will take some time to copy it, and click on OK. And now I said let me eject my USB flash drive. So it's good to go. Now plug it again in your Xbox 360, go to storage, click on your, select your USB flash drive, go to demos, and then copy or move it, show wish. I'm gonna just copy. Select the destination as your memory unit. Give it some time, let it copy itself. Here it goes. So after copying, just go back, plug your USB out of your Xbox 360. I just removed it right now, and now go back, go to games, and there you go. You can see your XEX menu. Opening it up, XEX menu 1.2. There you go, guys. That's it. Hope you guys like this video. Thank you. If you find this video helpful, just click on the subscribe button and give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in another one.